Welcome to Riley's channel. I'm Riley's sister, and we're the new taste test the spicy foods that me and Riley's Uncle Kevin made for our dad.
Yay! All right, Nora, get a chip. Or here, I'll help you dip. All right. This is the scrimmage.
Dad,
Get
how
a little
spicy
bit for you.
is it?
It's not very spicy. It's mostly garlic. There you go. What do you think? How's the flavor? Medium? Too much? Not good for you? Okay. Go ahead and get your smoothie. All right.
No, I'm gonna try.
Riley's turn. Got a big dip from Riley. What do you think?
I think it's good. It's not that spicy, and it's got good flavor to it, and I usually like stuff like that.
Yeah, I think this one is supposed to be mostly garlic and tomato.
Which one I try next?
That one is very mild. That is not a problem at all. I'm going to give that one a 7 out of 10 because it's very mild and can go with a lot of things. You're just adding seasoning to a food.
I'm giving it an 8 out of 10.
Nice.
I'm giving it a 0. A 0 or 1 or 2 out of 10.
6-year-old girls are not your audience, Kevin. All right. Next up is the no pack. We've got tomatillo, Roma tomato, arbo chili, garlic, brown sugar, cumin, oregano, salt, and olive oil. A lot more going on here. I'll go ahead and try this first so I know what the kids are getting into. All right. No spice to this one. A little bit of spice to this one. Barely any at all. Not a problem. Give it a try, Nora.
And then the other.
A little more.
Okay.
Get a dip. Bam. There you go.
Yeah, this one.
Is it good?
Not really right.
Give it a minute. Taste it. Are you getting any of the heat?
A 5 out of 10.
Oh, that's a lot better.
A 5 out of 10 or 4 out of 10.
Okay. All right, Riley, you're up.
Alright. It's this one, right?
Yeah. Here, let's get a scoop.
really
There
wet.
you go. There you go. Yes,
Oh.
these are a lot more juicy. What do you think, buddy?
I'll give it.
Is that one a lot more subtle?
It's a 5 out of 10. It's.
5 out of 10?
Is there any like? It tastes like it had a fruit flavor in it.
That might be just the having more tomato and more olive oil and just the amount of flavors.
Dad, can I say something?
But yeah, I like that one. What's up?
It kind of burned my tongue, but it's not really that spicy. So
Okay, so
yeah.
2 minutes later is when the heat came in for Nora. Just a very small touch of heat. I like it. I'm going to give that one a 7 out of 10.
That's
all right.
pretty good.
Yes. The next one is a very special one that Kevin has spent a long time on in memory of the restaurant El Gallo. This is a restaurant that we went to all through high school and even longer for Kevin, but that was our hangout spot when we were kids. So I'm going to give this one a big try. Get a good scoop of that
Can I
guy.
get a tiny bit try or medium or small
Wait your
one?
time. The El Gallo salsa It is exactly what I remember it to be, and I'm jealous of what Kevin remembers it to be. But I'm going to give that a strong 6 out of 10. Not a whole lot of flavor to me other than tomato, but a lot of memories. Nora, you're up.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what it tastes like.
Here you go, Nora.
How spicy is this, Dad?
Not spicy at all. It's just tomato on a chip. You got a lot of other flavors in there, but it's very subtle. What do you think?
A 2 or 1 or 0. It's not really that good. It's just like really juicy tomatoes mixed into grape to me.
There you go. Riley's up.
This is the one, right?
Yes, the El Gallo salsa.
I disagree with Nora. That's a 9.
All right, Riley has
A 7.
the special taste buds that pick up what only Kevin and Riley can get.
Yeah, 7.5.
All right.
7.5.
Nora, do you want to try the spicy one or you want to just eat a chip?
I just want to eat the chip.
All right, you eat the chip and you tell us where that goes. What does that rate as?
A 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for Nora. No salsa is the best salsa. All right. This is the Power Jam Mango Habanero. We've got mango, habanero, honey, vinegar, lime, and salt. I am very excited for this one. I'm probably putting too much on this chip. We're going to give it a big old bite.
How does it taste?
I'm going to wait for the heat to kick in. I'm mostly getting the sweetness of the mango and the honey, and then a little touch of the lime. And I'm not feeling a lot of the spice yet. I really like this one. I'm giving this a good 8 out of 10. All right, Riley, let's give you a little bit less on yours, but still let you get a good taste of it. There you go.
I have mixed feelings about it. I'll give it a 7.
7? What are your mixed feelings? Is it too spicy?
No, it just has like a little too sweet, but it's also like pretty good.
Okay. All right, well, 7 out of 10 and going in for another, so that's pretty
Can I
good.
say something?
Yes.
And we also got smoothies here for when it's too spicy.
The secret recipe for the smoothies is ice. All right. Well, that was a great video, and we will see you next time.
Wait, can I say peace?
Yes.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.